Hello Scratchers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tejas and today I will be telling you how to make this platformer on Scratch. So let's begin. So now let's begin with the codes and our art. Firstly, delete our sprite and get a sprite. We will name it player. We will be drawing our player. Now take the rectangle tool, set the outline at 0 and I will fill it with red color. Now using shift key, make a perfect square. Now align it to the center and we can reduce its size. Mm, This is good. So keep the size of the sprite at near to 20 into 20. Now we will make another sprite named level. Now you can make any level as per your mind. I will be making a simple level right now. A simple base here, a raised platform. So I made a very simple level. You can make more. I will be using only this right now. And okay, the size of our player is also fine. Now let's start with our codes. In the starting, we will make two variables. Firstly, delete this my variable. Then make three variables, not two. X x velocity. We can also name it x well. Then y velocity or y well. And slope. Now in the starting, when flag is clicked, set x well and y well to 0. And after that, go to a position. So which position we will take right now? Mm, you can spawn it at any place. I would like to spawn it over here. Minus 220 and minus 65. Then after this, we will be making our custom block. We will name it platform of physics. Now we will be adding a number input value. We will name it we will be naming it speed, friction and jump height. Run without screen refresh. Okay, now get it over here and after this put a forever block and in that put this. In that put um, 1.5 will be our speed, then 0.9 and 15. Now let's get with our main codes. Now in the starting, put change y well by -1. After that, put if or right arrow. I will be using both WASD and arrow keys. So if right arrow key is pressed or key D is pressed, then change X well. Change X well by speed. After that, put if left arrow key is pressed or A is pressed, we can duplicate this. If left arrow key is pressed or A is pressed, then we will do a simple thing is that we will multiply it by -1. So our value will come the opposite of our speed. After that, set X well. Set X velocity to X velocity multiplied by friction. After that, put change X by X well. After this, put set slope to 0. After that, if touching level, if we are touching level, then repeat until or in the first space put not, repeat until not touching level, or slope is equal to -8. Slope is equal to -8. Then change slope by -1. By -1. And after that, change y by 1. Change y by 1. Now get another if touching level. If we are touching level, then change y by change y change y by slope, and then after that we will put repeat until not touching level, We can duplicate it from here also. Not touching level. Change x by. Now here will be a complex code, which is firstly put a multiplication block. After that, over here put -1, and then get a divided by sign. Divided by sign. And in this put x velocity, and in the first one put abs of x well. Abs mean absolute value. So over here we will put absolute value of x velocity. So this was a thick code. So check it again. And then after that, change y well. Change y by y well. And after that, if touching level, after that, if touching level, then repeat until not touching level. Not go to touching level. Repeat until not touching level. Change y by again we have a thick code over here, that is again get multiplied by sign. Or instead of doing all that, just duplicate this. Remove x well and x well from here and put y velocity. Simple and easy. Now after that, put change y. Put change y by. Okay, no, not there. Firstly, put set. Firstly, we will putting set y velocity. Set y velocity to 0. And then after that, change y by -1. And then if touching level, or before putting touching level, put and. If touching level and touching level and then get or key up, arrow is pressed, key up arrow is pressed, or key W is pressed. Now if you want, you can put space also. And up arrow or W is pressed, then change y well. Change y well by jump height. By jump height. And then after that, change y by 1. Now let's check that. And yes, we have made it. It is so smooth. And if you want, you can decrease its heights, jump height, or speed. I think it is a too fast. So let's keep it at 1. Speed at 1. Yes. And the jump we can keep at 12. Yes. So finally, we have made the most important and the best part of Scratch, that is the platformer. Like, share, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you want more videos like these. Scratch on, guys.